Bonsema Yura, Bonsema Yura. This is the moment. Then I can and me say, Asante Independence is coming again. Me say, Asante Independence is coming again.
Nice GA.
Yo, Busia. When him say, na my dream say, Asante Independence ne dear. Him say beche, but it's closer than we thought. Me say the Asante Independence is closer than we thought. You ever hon sem so? Ever so na. Ever hon so de metro mu na reasons inti ama na me video yi no. Che say e de bia we hye makoma me hu sa video no, yes. But before that no, yenko enche bia na eye a doom blue light ehye. Na de you bia nim se me gya to mu ma che say na amafo bebredi ya obi kura na ebi su se yemo mo anya omade ne ade. Ase edumra regional minister mu nyina ba mu na yewura ni ho yewura tu kwan ne ade. But ase se sia no e ya akwa ese ase nsem na regional minister mo be share ne ade ni nyina ase ye hu de eko. Nti mpese mbisa se na sese eko sei. Video bi o de mpese oni mi nyina hwe sa video emra. Yes, na it's about 19 minutes or say. O de oni mi hwe sa video ye ba na mechiro di ntia me kasa enhwema.
Abusuan video ya wo hwe efri Kumasi Blue Light Market anase Kumasi Edum Blue Light Market biaya ehye ewo Asante Mantemu no yenyina ya be kaya 21st March 2025 eda efiada na yanti asempower Asante Mantemu a biaye ba ko a ye frɛ no Blue Light Market a yenuanu mu adwadifo edigwa eton niama bebre wo ho eja eto ho a ehye niama buburo na efibra eja no ehye no ya hwe animu a se sachiraye betimi aba ho eno nti ena nei yakwa akofa videos yi di abrewo se be ya wonsu behu niama ekoso ewo Kumasi Blue Light Market abra eja no hye no yenuanum adwadifo omwo ho eye oye kire bebre de adesrede ekopie mu omanhia ahemfie se komo besre senka yewura ehu omomobo na nadaruma omo kwan na omo ankasa en renovate anase omo reconstruct market no esanse ehunu bi penti na aboa asrewa oyi ni ti a anase ogigene ba agro na wayi nani ato nchen nyina ne se bre bi atwam ye nyina ye wo Kumasi Asante Mantemu ha ena eja bubro eto Dubai market a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama esiye emu na hye baby over 50 stores ena hye abusuan ebesi nei amene wo kasei sa stores ni nyina yatum a yentumi en reconstruct ya na se yen renovate ye emma edwadifo enyamu adwuma. The question is that sa edwadifo a no muton ade ho no sa bre ehin no mudidwa ye beba eno so akire na mom abusuan niama ekoso ewo Blue Light Market ebie na wo hwe no utimi hu se amanfo ahyase a omo reconstruct market na se omo sansu siesi ho se be omo benya the place back in shape. 2-story buildings a ejanu to mu a ehye kumo ese japade bebre no na ohwe videos no de efri ho no abusuan abra ejanu ehye no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebaye ebe share bose obe supporto edwadifo a omoniama ahye ni nyina enti no Nadmo ene regional minister Dr. Frank Amwako hene sa abre no na yenyanya mayor omo be kan bom na wona omo ho aka no omotimi abo omo abusuan ebesi mprempren a me no ekase sa afi na sa amoa no beba mintumi enkyire na mom abreja no ehye no yehun se adofo bi anase Ghana mpanyifo bi a oman no ho do eda omakoma so a chese Kumasi adwadifo ho hia omo etimi bae ebe ye nuanom moa metimi abubo bidin se former vice president Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebaye ebe donate 200,000 Ghana cedis esan so the 1,000 bags of cement episo se yemfa renovate market no se ebe ya yenuanom a omudi dwa ewo Kumasi Blue Light ombenya baabi na omatimi edi omudwa. Now Richard ni amakwe the youngest billionaire na Ghana ne ho nsem bebrebe okodi birthday chechirenche a ho nsem be deja ono so ba be donate 500,000 Ghana cedis edi ma yenuanom adwadifo yi. Honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan enso baye ebe donate 100,000 Ghana cedis at the building materials be a ho enkosi hwa Honorable Brian Echampong ono eyemrahye bedwani ewo Abetifi constituency ono so baye ebe donate 300,000 Ghana cedis. In fact osan e de adesrede to yewuranim senka o manakwanya kwa within 1 year obesi market no kama e de ama enuanom se be ya ombenya baabi na omu etumi edidwa eno eye de Honorable Brian Echampong eba ya ono nso so etimi ede ebetu dwa na minority caucus led by Honorable Afenyo Markins Osahene enso so baye be donate bi. In fact Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe enso eba ebeye donation ama ni donation no krampo no nipa ni bi ebufu ye titiri omo ewo Menchia South constituency ni nyina ne so obekan se MP's Common Fund skebia ya de man se nka onfanya adwuma o constituency ni mu no eka bese 100,000 Ghana cedis bi wom enti no ka Honorable Member of Parliament Edema Menchia South eye Honorable Lawyer Nana Bafo ejei ka onfam fem no na onfam adwadifo yi ema hu nsem be ye de dwa ma Menchia South constituency fo bi koko pai ema omo keka bi kire Honorable eno enkoda nchen Honorable Oseya Odichum enso so ede ne de by former Minister for Education na abusia memma mekasa enware pi na mom niama ekoso ewo Blue Light market a ha adwen na edi se yedi ye nansi form ne eka ema ya hwefo hu na mpanyifo nso so ani ba omo ho so na omo timi make the right decision se be ya yenuanom omo di dwa ewo Blue Light market na omo ho beto omo enti ena mani abedi a mekasa bebrebe abusia yenim so be piem Asante Mantemu Kumasi a edwadie eye the number 1 job anase ye beka say the number 1 priority the most of the age group are omo aye ready so omo be ye adwuma ne senti no nipa dodo na edwadie na omo die recently so wahwe ye videos you could see say clearly and Kumasi mountain so aye choked esan say mrantia ne mabawa omo di omo ho ahye dwadie mu omo nya baabi ni dwa ene obepiem wo Kumasi a Kejetia market phase 2 a yesie eno na ewo hoyi wa wani tua yensi wie ye kokwasa saa echina obekọ ni etutu form na nsuo bi pie free ho ade ebechi the same thing the next time obekọ ni aboabo anwan bi anu agu baabi ade ebechi ni asan hantemu yehu de ekọ edwadifo enya baabi eni dwa na mom KM mayor Honorable Richard Ofori Buadi Ajiman ebe kan asem bi se MPP amanyoko no omo na ehihye akire ehye edwadifo omo Blue Light market kutupa se omo ankasa empre se ye di asase ne be ma omo na omo atimi ansi omo dwa na sanse ma obekan no ebe ye deja o media no so ache se obi acheche na adwen fa ho na asem bi a okan ye ache se na etwa wo na chese ha adwen ye ba konso contrary to the ekoso na ni se okan se market ya ewo ho ya ashi no technicians ababe assess age atumu se the building is not in right shape and answer any in right condition entisi esia da chi bi ebebubu ama akofa esan anase atoyenchem ade ababe wie yenso ntu ene yade ani kiremu e market wo no yakwa ko hunu se renovation e koso butu edan no yendwiringu from nanso renovate ana edwadifo e renovate ubisa omo a obiara se eyomo ankasa ebotom ska ena omo di renovate. The first question is donation bebrebe a ebaye ampanyifo akukudam betu omo botom be donate cement bags sika chochoro edigu ho no se ska no. The question is sika no ewo hen sika no afa hen marketi edwadifo ya na di omo sika ahya ase renovate. Now me pesa me kenkan ade bi che o se be ya ubetimi ate niam bi ase yie na watimi ahye ne nso na ankwankoye se bosiremu kan bi na me ye. In fact, this is the message from the KMA mayor Richard Ofori Buedi Ajiman dodo na friend Kinzuba. Firstly, he accused the New Patriotic Party of urging traders at Edum Blue Light Market area to defy a directive issued by the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly and the Ashanti Regional Minister. According to Honorable Buedi Ajiman, he alleged that members of the MPP are instigating the affected traders to create unrest at the site of the fire incident, which destroyed shops and caused significant damage, promoting the development or the deployment of military personnel to the area. Now, he said it is the MPP who are urging them on to disrespect the orders of the Kumasi Traditional Council, which was given to the Honorable Regional Minister that we must do a technical assessment of the situation and report the outcome to Otumfuo. He explained further that the donation activities, particularly by the former Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the MPP Minority Caucus, Honorable Kennedy Japan, and other personalities, distributing cement to the traders are disrespectful and goes contrary to the orders of the Kumasi Traditional Council. Now, this, he says, is especially concerning given that investigations into the circumstances surrounding the fire incident by the Ghana National Fire Service has not yet been concluded. Now, I am not a technical person. This is according to Richard Ofori Ajiman, the KMA mayor. He said, I'm not a technical person, but people equipped with a technical law have done an assessment of the various structures, and the recommendation is that if we do not demolish it, that is the underlying word, if we do not demolish it, we have set a death trap for whoever goes to occupy it. If we do not demolish it, we have set a death trap for whoever goes to occupy it. What brought about the disaster, you are compounding it now. You understand? But you see it has come about as a result of indiscipline on the part of politicians. He said in an interview,
status of the PZ market that recently got destroyed by fire. Where are we with that?
Okay, so where we are with that is that this bit I find it difficult to talk about, but when the question comes up, I have no other choice. Politicians are disturbing us a lot, and I think that everybody should collaborate with the Kumasi Traditional Council and the Kumasi Assembly to handle it. As we speak, a technical assessment of the buildings that were affected indicated that 3 structures would have to be demolished. In fact, there were 4. One that belongs to a gentleman by the name of Justice. He has gone to demolish it on his own. So there are 3 left. One belongs to PMA. The other belongs to an association, Watchers Association, and the third belongs to Nana Kofi, former mayor of Kumasi, of blessed memory. Those structures would have to be demolished. Unfortunately, politicians are providing materials for victims who were in those buildings, and they are reconstructing it without proper technical guidance and advice. We have met them and asked them to stop, because whatever be the case, once technical reports indicate that they have to be demolished, they will be demolished. On Wednesday, the Kumasi Municipal Assembly will have a meeting with the Kumasi Traditional Council, as has been directed by Otumfuo, and then we'll discuss the various reports, and we'll set the date where those demolitions would have to take place, and then how reconstruction would also happen. So that's where we are. We are going to see the blessings of Nananum on Wednesday. And once the green light is given to us, we'll demolish the affected structures, and then we can begin the process to reconstruct.
One was a Bosimka. Asembisani say, that trap, na ye renovate market, no, and I say, story building ya when it tuemo uhebie say ye renovate ya. Ebe death trap net me edi nsusanso boni ananse abeya edi atoye nchem kese ebeba edi amadwadifo idi a masem bisa ne se adenti na ya ahwe han na ya ahwe amadwadifo di omu sika renovate market abra amanfo beye donations CDC piankuma edi ma regional minister ebesi ne yenhu decision taken on the blue light market yenu anu tete abonti omu didwa abonti no mutiti omudi dwa titi chini yasi edidi dwa sebi alatani a watu kwan akobi ekrom a oni baabi obedi dwa aden na yankasa eti ekrom na yedi ehwo ambrosa KMB mayor Kinzuba should come out and explain things to us na yenhunu die ntia enei edwa no munka ho hwe se mu bedwire gu fam a munwiri ngu fam na nda so si ho na mo ya hwe han ama edwadifo yi ade omo akotokuo musika renovate market mu twen ama omo renovate awie na mo ba bedwire gu fam ana se mu jai ama na ye death trap no ade ama omo na daachi bi ebubu ekunkofo ma ya sanso aba besu aba betiemu agye nyakase bibifo de bia se ya gisa asemu asi ansa na sebi ye hunu nyansa na se yesua nyansa yenim se kumasi asase ananse asanteman asase eyeye urade a oti kokoso na ebodi a ni aboy mu ase obi antumi mfa ne pe emfa asase no emfa nya de ope agi se ye uru amakwan se mu mfa nya sei ananse mu mfa nya sei but the mayor a watra si na wa ya hwe han ehwe ama adwadifo ya edi omusika esi dwana ananse omo renovate market. In fact, you can see clearly from the videos say bi wo ho a stores ni bi wo kra omo renovate awie edi niam agumu eton na se dan ya esi ho yi a esoro no nyina tutu esu nyina ho awawai esi ho yi se esoro na ye sei na obi hyase na odi dwa enye death trap ana se de enye death trap biom se enye death trap biom nso a KMA boss wadaroma brabonten na beyi anoma Ghana fo hu se de blue light market story building na ehye ijrobe na yemre no enye death trap biom nti se de se yetimi renovate man ye a enye hwe na se aban so na amakwan so omo renovate so a ye pese ye hunu yentimi ya hwe han ne enhwe ama nipa bi mfam ranche omo nsem en renovate ama akina bi enkofa atoyanchem bi emma Kumasi ya biaya yedi dwa na odi wani kiremu okumasi a baabi a yedi dwa ni nyina no ayebasa. In fact Dubai market ni mpokura na yese eye on good standard a eye papa kura no remu na kohwe sade nipa si abo apeso baabi ani kwan sebi yedi niam si eton kura no yedi esi ho eton nipa na bo apeso ti sadi sebi ehye konkom na egum na omudi dwa wom bisa ho se asem si a ehe ana nipa no ebedwane de afa baabi a eye fire tenders baabi a o se nsuo fa baabi a ese ese ni nyina no ya hyehye niama de akata so se basa ene ya se no yeni baabi a edidwa nipa ni nyina asam kwan mu eneke em boss wo ba ye wo se omo bia ni dwa o street mu omo bia ni dwa o ka kwan mu wapam boys nyina e de free street no so the market areas e also mu renovate ma omo no munya ba bi tran edi dwa nso a ye renovate ma omo e ya rahosem pa ene odi wani kire mu oso amia is an eyesore nsioto a ba bia ye chaka ateche nko
Yes, so you see, these are the things Ayana ye kan wasem no ebi asem ne ba foforo a ye be kukuru no hey bonsa agiegu besim bisa sese ayi no e kosai how is it going they say no mo nja mo nyoma de e na ade no ma suspending ne gina ho mo so a enioma ni sika ye de omo se omo de e be che wo mo bi mbe donate de bo a omo no now no ye hu di akosi e be sere regional minister e de na wo ya fa ho wada Roma ye sere obepri ye sere empese be ba be sa ase oh we de ase ye betwe wado ahoma so ye sere because they say boys ni wo fie ebi mu nkwa adwuma maamefo ni bi te fie ukro ya so se hwe no ma kwan ne ho a meton ade nti se sie no omonye dey market so de nkehia animo ententem na mo jejina so de be ya people will go back to their normal post so de be ya ma u pushi obi a wo hu ba bia wo pushi na fa wada Roma e be sere pa na ehu de de e ko yesrem because ye hu a e be ha adwen papa e be ha adwen papa e be ha adwen isan say de e ko ne de e ha adwen papa I don't know what is happening. I don't know. But Mr. Mpenifo ka bi wo yempese ba be ni gidi na kwakwa ese o na yeslemo de na mo ye se de ye mayor no e pan yese obi anfiri kwan ho na mo ye demolition exercise no na mo make sure se ba bi e wo se mo ye ho adwuma na amanfo timi kokoto ade no mo ni akoso na mo ye se de be ya bibia be kan yempese be ni gidi na kwakwa ese o ye ase ye kasa na ye de jegu ye suje gu mpanifo na chi yeslemo a ni die kun yo na mame bra mi ankasa me topic a me ni je ho pa yes na opemso radio mpanifo be hu yewura bank mpanifo bi ni ade professional club Asante professional club to establish dedicated bank for Asanteman. The Bank of Asanteman na ye kan now no mo di aba no baba emu se wo se omo ye dey omo si Bank of Asanteman inti ya na ye kan sa no it opemso radio for ye post bi na this is the caption or the mpanifo e buy na beto. Now this is the caption. Or say the idea of establishing a dedicated bank for Asanteman was first proposed by His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, who tasked the club with developing a framework for bringing it to life in order to stimulate business development in the kingdom. And Oshe Omo post in it no say Asante Professional Club to establish dedicated bank for Asanteman. Bam. You see there? Bam. My maintain symbol. Bonsema Yura. This is the moment. Then I'm a kind and me say, Asante Independence is coming again. Me say, Asante Independence is coming again. Asante Independence is coming again. This is the moment. When I make one say, this is the time I was saying, yes, sorry. So mebulu no they say no bia ye advocate ne say nka ye wura be autonomy said ye be ya yen kwese because say ye jama politicians ne political leaders now they are not making Asanteman the way we want it. So ye wura be autonomous and as autonomy ono ankasa be ne bibia nya central bank ne bibia then we are controlling things by ourselves. Ebia ye resources now as a buy no na ebia we ka say o munji ebia be some 10% ebia because o man mu ni nyina mo de ye resources ne kwa mutimi je 9%. In sa Asante so mfa mo obi abia na ye ya de ne be 10% am ye sure some beje because mo anya na mo ko fa bi wan because Asante film na mo 10% e o so mutimi de bibi isan so o man ni nyina mutimi je 9%, and it's very necessary. This is the time. Asante Independence is coming again. Abusia, we ani gisem nti na pesa me no ye de e share no mesro share mo bia so nya video bi no nti share mo bia nti video bi no bia so nya de nti asem da aba no this is the moment we've been waiting for. The Central Bank of ASANTEMAN is coming. So busua we die ye besre bia mo we hu de bia pushi we na enko no bia nti say this is what is happening. Said ye be ya bia be kama na me hira mo se mo hwe mi sikedwa nya mo kese kopem se be kese pa me da se mo hwe mi makram